Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
So completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon. Ang puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Good evening, everyone. We are now down to our last matchup this Saturday. It is SAFE-JAZ Master versus UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Isang magandang bakbakan muli po ang inyong mapapanood. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Christina Alcanza-Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng isang intense na laban ngayong.
So this is the last match for this Saturday OBL Elavil Cup action. So on the third match, nakita nga natin dito JB Hart versus USA Falcons kung saan nadungisa na dito yung clean record on the side of JB Hart. So very unpredictable talaga ang nangyayari dito sa loob ng OBL Elavil Cup. So at this moment, kanino mapupunta ang panalo? It's between the SAFE-JAZ versus the UNC-TRIFIT. So I'm so excited sa ipapakitang performance ng SAFE-JAZ because I know for a fact they really want to win this evening. And at the same time, on the other side of things, we have the UNC-TRIFIT na isa din sa uhaw makakuha ng panalo, knowing na medyo shaky dito yung campaign nila dito sa OBL Elavil Cup. So let's see kung kaninong game plan ang aarangkada this evening at kaninong panig ang papanigan ng swerte para sa panalo ngayong gabing ito.
And of course, Rick, itong SAFE-JAZ Master, meron na nga silang isang panalo. Of course, against ACLC Hawks dahil hindi nga sila nakapag-attend during that match-up last week. But now, let's see kung ito bang pagkakuha ng unang panalo ng SAFE-JAZ Master magkakaroon ng epekto sa laban against UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And to hear an update, nandyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, anong update sa side ng SAFE-JAZ?
Magandang gabi, Rick and Tin, pero mas maganda pa sa gabi ang ating laro tonight with the Jazz Stars kontra sa UNC-TRIFIT. Maginaw na nga ang temperatura dito sa loob ng court and I'm sure giniginaw na din kayo dyan sa inyong mga bahay since we're also live here on OVL's official Facebook page and GNN TV 48 Naga. Better prepare yourselves kasi iinit na din maya-maya ang mga mapapanood nyo dito sa loob ng court. But the Jazz Stars are about to show us a one-of-a-kind game tonight. Let's see how will their different approach make difference all here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Sholomar Zaimeniano from the side of the Jazz Stars. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
And thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, SAFE-JAZ. Let's see kung mag-iinit ba dito sa loob ng hard court ang kanilang kupunan to secure their second win para sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. So yan ang aabangan natin dito. Tapos, papakinggan din natin ang mangyayaring game plan on the other side of things. We have Chen, our courtside reporter on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Anong balita dyan?
Marhay na pagkabanggi, Rick and Tin, and of course sa aming mga Oragon fans, we are now on the 6th week of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Ako po si Chen Shaira Nicolas at ako po ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga as I got a little conversation with their coach, and according to him, matapos nga kanilang sunod-sunod na talo this time, they are going to improve their defense against the SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. They are also focused on how to impose the players in proper way to execute the game plan. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, the UNC-TRIFIT Naga is ready to conquer the hard court against SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. So now, can we see a different style of game dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT? Now, we are about to start the first quarter of this intense matchup. O magiging intense pa lang na matchup na SAFE-JAZ Tire Master and UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Of course, we have here on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire Master, we have jersey number 20, De Los Reyes, jersey number 10, Nuestro, jersey number 00, and the rest of the players of SAFE-JAZ. And on the other side, we have Sakido, Masinas, Batyansala, Tougan, and also the rest of the players of UNC.
First ball possession will go on the side of TRIFIT. Amaro passing it to his teammate. Tougan fires for that 3 at unang 3 para sa match na ito. Galing kay Tougan. So anong gagawing pagbawi? But a steal on the side of their team. Batyansela and Tougan to Amaro. No good on that attempt. So SAFE-JAZ Tire naman ngayon ang magkakaroon ng chance to get their first point para dito sa gabing ito.
Now, SAFE-JAZ Tire Master looking for their first point here. Alfonso passes to Nuestro. 10 seconds to shoot here. Anong gagawin nila dito? Jersey number 20, De Los Reyes to Martinez. Down to 2. And they only have 1 second here remaining. Will they get their first basket here? Now, Alfonso to inbound with only a second. Nuestro. And that's good. Pinasok pa doon ni Nuestro. Kanyang unang 3 dito. So we are tied on 3-all. Now we can feel the intensity now of SAFE-JAZ and UNC-TRIFIT. Tougan, papasok sa loob. Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin. Tougan, one of the key players of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And also, siya yung naging umpisa dito ng magandang laban. Kasi yung 5 puntos na yan from UNC-TRIFIT is coming from him. And now, Martinez naman ngayon ang sasagot sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Master.
Now, let's see kung magiging activated pa ba dito si Tougan on the side of the TRIFIT. But turnover on the side of their team, so automatically the ball possession will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire. So 1 point lead ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Let's see kung pagpapatuloy dito yung momentum na hawak on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Tire. Now, jersey number 0 to Nuestro, taking their time here and looking for his teammate, passing it to Pado. Jersey number 8 for that long 3, no good. And now TRIFIT on the offense. Derecho. But a whistle coming from our referee here. So Tougan stepping on the free throw line for an opportunity on their side to tie this match up or even get the lead. Successful on that first attempt.
Now 6-5. 7 minutes and 54 seconds. 6-6 na po tayo para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now Tougan getting that second free throw here, and UNC-TRIFIT holding on to that 1 point lead of their team here. But at the same time, SAFE-JAZ Tire Master mainit para dito sa ating first quarter as Pado gets inside, getting that basket. And also, Rick, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Elavil Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gasoline, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, at 3N Bakery. Now, but yun, 5 seconds to shoot here. Releases, no good. Seven minutes. Now, Pado passes here to Villas Reyes. Now, Nuestro once again for a 3 here sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Sakido passes to Batiansala. Now, Taugan. Wala. An opportunity here for SAFE-JAZ. Now, Nuestro. Passes here to Pado. Ngayon, maganda yung simula dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Nuestro once again passes to Martinez. Good pass here. No, Pado. No good.
And rebound on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Taugan. Wow, no hesitation on that move. And the putos on their side. Nakikita natin dito on the side of UNC-TRIFIT na kailangan nila ditong tulungan itong si Taugan to get their lead here sa ating first quarter. And speaking of contribution, one player on the side of UNC getting that one in, and just a glimpse, 13-11 na po ang ating score, UNC-TRIFIT on the lead.
At ito nga si Taugan, talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita niya dito. But at the same time, kung merong Taugan sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, meron ding Nuestro. I think this is his third 3-pointer dito sa ating first quarter. At yung puntos na yan, galing kay Nuestro. Now, let's see. Taugan once again. Offensive rebound dito. Now, medyo matinik doon sa loob. And that ball possession would go on to the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Looking at our point, talagang pinaghandaan naman talaga ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master at UNC-TRIFIT itong laban ngayong gabing ito. And we are halfway through our first quarter here. Now, Nuestro once again with this ball. Passes to Martinez. Anong gagawin dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master to maintain that gap? Now, whistled foul here. Para dito, jersey number 6, it is Mendoza. Now, with 14 seconds to shoot here, it is SAFE-JAZ Star Master basketball. Alfonso passes to Nuestro. Konti tira pa doon sa 3, but now, heavily guarded here. Nuestro once again. Finding a spot here, Martinez passes here to Alfonso. Now on the inside, but still here, coming from the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga.
And a foul was called to Nuestro on that last sequence. Ball will remain on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Amaro with that sideline inbound, passing it to Batiansela. Taking their time here.
Now, Masinas passes to Batiansela. 13 seconds to shoot here. Batiansela, no good. Napado with that rebound. Still 14-13 points here. Alfonso. Anong gagawin ngayon ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master with that good defense of UNC-TRIFIT? Now, De Los Reyes. Heavily guarded here. Once again, Alfonso. 6 seconds to shoot here for SAFE-JAZ. Medyo nahihirapan. And a steal coming from Batiansala here. And Taugan getting that basket with a foul here.
Foul was called to jersey number 8 on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. And Taugan stepping on that line for a 3-point play opportunity on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Again, napakainat ngayon ng nilalaro nitong si Taugan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, and dagdagan pa yan ng 1.16. 14 is our score. And now, SAFE-JAZ Tire on the offense. Heavily guarded here. Wow, the defense. Ball will remain on the side of UNC, or rather SAFE-JAZ Tire. Alfonso to inbound, passing ito Nuestro. Pado looking for his teammate. Passing it to Nuestro. Again, the defense on the side of TRIFIT. Very evident at this moment. No good on the 3-point attempt. And now UNC-TRIFIT has the chance to add their lead here. 16-14 is our score. 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining for this first quarter. What a point para dito kay jersey number 14 on the side of UNC-TRIFIT and Nuestro. Mabibitawan dito yung bola. That's why UNC-TRIFIT ulit mapupunta ang ball possession. No good on that attempt coming from jersey number 28, and a foul was called on him on that last sequence. So SAFE-JAZ Tire with this free throw opportunity. Basket on that first attempt. Let's see on his second try kung makakakuha ba dito ng isa pang basket itong SAFE-JAZ Tire to lessen the gap na hawak ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. 18-16 is our score. But Yancela itatawid ang bola. Passing ito jersey number 30. No good, pero offensive rebound and a second chance point para kay jersey number 14, Masinas on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. SAFE-JAZ Tire. They really need this one. Alfonso heavily guarded, looking for his teammate. Donya. Tupado. With 8 seconds to shoot. What a great steal coming from the TRIFIT side. And Taugan again. Those ball na napupunta sa kanya talagang ipinupuntos on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT.
And now, Rick, a minute and 48 seconds remaining here. 16-22. Napalaki na nung UNC-TRIFIT yung kanilang kalamangan against SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. And at this point, kailangan gawan ng paraan to ng SAFE-JAZ kasi mas mahihirapan silang humabol. If ever man na mas lumaki pa yung kalamangan na magawa dito ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Estrada passes to his teammate Taugan once again going inside, but this time, no good, but a second chance point para dito sa UNC-TRIFIT courtesy of Garcia. And at this point, it is really a big gap here against SAFE-JAZ. Pero andyan si jersey number 43, Comida, para makagawa ng puntos dyan at ibaba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng kanilang kupunan. Now, 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Let's see here, Estrada hahanap ng mapapasahan. Taugan releases a 3. No good. Now Rick, 59 seconds. SAFE-JAZ Tire Pastor. An opportunity for them to lessen that gap. Now Martinez finding his teammate here. And a whistled foul. para dito kay jersey number 7, Garcia. And jersey number 43 now of SAFE-JAZ Star Master, Comida, will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. First free throw was no good. And even free throws, yung sa SAFE-JAZ Star Master, kailangan gawan nila ng paraan dito. And now, nagkakagawa ng bola. SAFE-JAZ Star Master. And that will be their ball possession here. Last 38 seconds for our first quarter. It is Martinez to inbound. Ngayon, Donya with this ball, passes to Martinez. 18 seconds to shoot. Another whistle foul here. Again, it is Garcia of UNC-TRIFIT. Babalik si Comida dyan sa side ng SAFE-JAZ for 2 free throws here. First free throw was good. Comida, second free throw. 30 seconds remaining here. No good. Now Togan secure that rebound. Meron pang pagkakataon itong UNC-TRIFIT to widen that gap. They have 5-point lead here. Togan passes to Garcia. Now to the other side for Villaflor. No good. But it was on foul. Tatawagan dyan ng foul itong si jersey 00 Alfonso. And that instant replay is brought to you by Safe Gasoline and Anjena Trading. Now Festin on that free throw line here. 19-24. First free throw, or that will be the second free throw of Festin. Now SAFE-JAZ, anong gagawin dito with that 9 seconds remaining for our first quarter? Now Pado passes to Comida. No good. 2 seconds. And that's it. It is 19-25 in favor of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Let's see kung ano pang ipapakita dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master for our second quarter of this game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second quarter. 25-19 nga ang ating naiwang score. Dagdagan pa yan because of that point conversion on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Now SAFE-JAZ Star, they need to step up big time para dito sa pangalawang quarter for them to catch up. But again, those steals, back-to-back steals for both teams, Napakaganda ngayon ang performance ng dalawang kupunan sa pagsisimula pa lamang ng ating second quarter. Offensive rebound para dito kay Donya. Donya will fire for 3. No good. Alfonso getting that one in on the side of their team. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Festin.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT, what a good momentum they built during that first quarter. And up until the second quarter, we can feel the domination here of UNC-TRIFIT. But at the same time, SAFE-JAZ Star Master making sure that it will not be a big gap against UNC-TRIFIT. And they're really working hard, most especially Martinez, Alfonso, and now Comida releasing, or Donya rather, releasing that three-pointer here. And that's a 5-point gap of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. What will be the answer of this team with that three-pointer coming from Donya? Now Togan passes to Estrada. 12 seconds to shoot here. Villaflor now, one of the key players of UNC-TRIFIT. Back to Estrada with only 5 seconds to shoot here. And that will be an offensive foul for the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. So an opportunity for a SAFE-JAZ Star Master. And they really need to focus more on their offense right now, because there's a big advantage of UNC-TRIFIT Naga because of their height as well as their experience. But at the same time, as SAFE-JAZ Star Master for our second quarter, they are really giving us a good matchup here. And after that three-pointer coming from Martinez, it is just a 2-point lead. Grabe yung tinabaho dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. So what will be the adjustment on the side of UNC-TRIFIT now na malapit ng maungusan ng SAFE-JAZ yung kanilang puntos? And to hear an update, we have our courtside reporter, Chan. Hi Chan, what's the update there?
Well, thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the second quarter of the game. Gitgitan man ang laban, ngunit hindi nagpatinag ang UNC-TRIFIT para patunayang they are prepared for this game. But still, they need to continue emphasizing strong defensive play and maintaining a low field goal percentage for the opponents to maintain the lead. Kailangan lang nila mag-double effort para mapanatili ang kalamangan niyan lamang. And I'll be back for more updates.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen. So, kailangan din ditong huwag maging kampante on the side of UNC-TRIFIT because kahit lamang dito ang kanilang kupunan, slowly but surely nakikita naman natin sa performance nitong SAFE-JAZ Star, paunti-unting nagbe-build ng momentum dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. And speaking of momentum, with that last point, 29 all na po tayo sa ating scoreboard. And to hear an update on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star because napakaganda ngayon ang simula sa kanilang second quarter. Ano ang gagawin pang adjustment on your side? Zai, anong balita dyan?
Hello, Rick and Ten. Here we are at the beginning of the second quarter. Things are not looking good dito sa side ng Jazz Stars during the first quarter. Pero rather than being disappointed, they're working really hard to catch up this quarter. They're going to dictate the face of the gameplay since napaka-importante nga naman na mag-assert ng dominance when it comes to the momentum of the game. Other than that, susubukan din nilang unahan ang kanilang kalaban in terms of offense. Kaya naman, Rick and Ten, tignan natin kung paano nila mababawi ang quarter na to. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai. And we can see the change of momentum here for the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Master because on that first quarter, we've seen them struggle against UNC-TRIFIT. But now we can see that SAFE-JAZ Star Master, paunti-unti nilang binibigyan ng buhay yung kanilang laban against UNC-TRIFIT, and they are really determined to give a good fight against UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Comida getting that basket and just a point lead coming from the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And this is what I'm talking about when it comes to SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Every time they are playing, maganda yung kanilang ipinapakita dito, but at the same time, meron pa rin kulang. But they are still pushing through doon sa mga nakakalaban nila. So hindi din madaling kalaban itong SAFE-JAZ Star Master. And at this point of time, we can see that as UNC-TRIFIT struggling here. At napakadikit ng ating laban dito sa ating second quarter. And sayang para doon sa SAFE-JAZ Star Master at that point. But Taogan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT getting that basket with a foul here. And they are really making sure that UNC-TRIFIT can still enjoy this gap. But at the same time, no room for complacency. And a timeout was called on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Master because it was a good run for them here on second quarter of this game. But at the same time, UNC-TRIFIT still pushing through. And talagang hinahabol yung pagpuntos dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. And here are some of the game highlights of this matchup brought to us by 3N Bakery. And Nuestro, during that first quarter, was the one who really gave us a lot of three-pointers outside shooting here. But now for the second quarter of the game, all of the players of SAFE-JAZ Star Master contributing for that point of SAFE-JAZ. And on the other hand, the UNC-TRIFIT making sure that hindi sila mapag-iiwanan dito ng SAFE-JAZ. Most especially, we have Taogan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT that really steps up for his team. Dahil wala dito, yung isa sa mga key players also of UNC-TRIFIT, which is Karonan. But the rest of the players here really gave a lot of effort for their team. Now Taogan, that's good for his bonus free throw here. 33-37, just a 4-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. So let's see what will be the answer here of SAFE-JAZ Star Master now that Nuestro is in for our second quarter. And a foul was whistled here for jersey number 14 on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
Nuestro to inbound, passing it to Alfonso. Heavily guarded here, looking for his teammate, and Garcia stealing that one, but Yancela with that, pero no good on that attempt. And now, Donya, passing it to Nuestro. SAFE-JAZ Star ulit. May hawak ng opensa at this moment, Pado. Losing that ball. Pero andun si jersey number 20 for that back up. And of course, 2 points para dito kay Delos Reyes. Kakapasok pa lamang dito pero nagkaroon na ng impact on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star. And Sakido, libreng-libre with that layup.
Now, every time that SAFE-JAZ Star Master will get a point, the UNC-TRIFIT will answer that one. It is a 35-39 right now. And Donya releasing a three. I don't know how many threes SAFE-JAZ Star Master has committed now for our second quarter of this game. But it is very effective for their team. And it's a good thing sa kanilang kupunan na talagang gumagana yung kanilang outside shooting ngayon. Ano naman sagot dito ng UNC-TRIFIT? Let's see here. Garcia, no good. An opportunity once again for UNC. But SAFE-JAZ Star Master looking for a spot here. Alfonso, nagkakaagawan dito. UNC-TRIFIT snatching that one. Masinas, no good. But a very intense one.
Very close fight. Close second quarter para dito sa dalawang kupunan. And Masinas has the chance to add their lead here, 39-38. And so far dito sa ating pangalawang quarter, talagang isang puntos or dalawang puntos lamang dito yung kalamangang hawak ng dalawang kupunan. So again, di pa natin alam kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito because maraming ang unpredictable na nangyayari dito sa loob ng OBL Elavil Cup. So expect the unexpected para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And mind you guys, this is our last match for this Saturday. And I'm sure nakatutok pa rin dito sa ating live coverage ang ating mga talaga nanonood na mga fans ng both teams. So thank you so much po and happy viewing.
And now, 38-41 on ours, or 40-41 on our scoreboard. SAFE-JAZ Star Master making sure na hindi sila mapag-iiwanan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. And good save for that ball possession on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. But Yansela passes to his teammate, but that will be a steal here. Now, Nuestro. And that fast break is brought to us by DELIGOLD Philippines. Now, SAFE-JAZ Master getting that 1-point lead here. But at the same time, yun, Villaflor naman ngayon yung pupunto sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Talagang parang sinabi niya doon, hindi pa to yung pagkakataon na makakalamang itong SAFE-JAZ Master. But let's see here as we continue the second quarter of the game. Now, SAFE-JAZ Pado.
Wow. Grabe. Nasibat pa yung isang player. Nice pass and nice conversion of point on the side of their team. Now, UNC, ano magiging sagot dito? Unsuccessful in that attempt, and here we go again. SAFE-JAZ successful on that layup, and with that point conversion, 46-43, a 3-point lead goes on the side of the SAFE-JAZ 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining for this first half. At nakita naman natin na napakaganda nga ng ginawa ng SAFE-JAZ. Mapapatawag dito ng timeout itong si Coach Miggy on the side of the UNC. Or rather, ang side ng SAFE-JAZ to make sure na sa kanila mapupunta yung mga napakagandang momentum at this moment, which is very evident on our game today or at this moment. That game highlights on your screen is brought to us by 3N Bakery.
And of course, before the timeout, a player of UNC-TRIFIT releases a 3 here. And we are now deadlocked on 46 all. Just like what you've said earlier, Rick, na talagang unpredictable yung mga laro natin dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Kasi kung kanina, yung USI Falcons, nakuha nila yung kanilang panalo against the undefeated JB Hart. At sila yung unang team na dumungis doon sa napakalinis na record ng JB Hart. And at this moment, SAFE-JAZ Master giving us a good matchup against UNC-TRIFIT. This is very different. Talagang as we goes by dito sa Oragon Basketball League, itong mga kupunan natin dito, next step up to give us a good matchup here. And now, as we continue the second quarter of the game, 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining here. As SAFE-JAZ Master looking for another cap here because we are deadlocked on 46 all. Nuestro passes to De Los Reyes. 15 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Nuestro passes to Pado. Now, mag-isa lang siya doon sa 4 na players ng UNC-TRIFIT. And a whistled foul here. Ang itatawag dito kay jersey number 7 side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Nuestro to inbound with 14 seconds to shoot here. But jersey number 6 was there to snatch that ball. And Masinas.
Ball remains on their side. Or rather, SAFE-JAZ ang magkakaroon ngayon ng ball possession. 53 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. And deadlock at 46. Unsuccessful. So hindi pa nagagalaw yung deadlock natin dito. But Yansela to his teammate for 3. And yun nga, 3 points din ang ibibigay dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. And with that, 49-46 is our score.
Now, SAFE-JAZ Pado. It was a foul because that is an offensive foul committed by Pado here. And also, jersey number 27 on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, Amaro. Nagpapaulan dito ng tres sa side ng kanilang kupunan. We only have 13 seconds for this first half of UNC-TRIFIT and SAFE-JAZ Masters Basketball. At yung natitirang 9 seconds na yan para sa SAFE-JAZ Master. At 3 puntos nga yung hinahabol nila dito. So let's see if before this quarter ends, they can convert a point here to lessen that gap of UNC-TRIFIT. Nuestro pass to De Los Reyes. Now Martinez, heavily guarded, releases. And no good. We ended 46-49, and let's see for our second half of the game on what will happen. Will it be UNC-TRIFIT or SAFE-JAZ Star Master getting the win this evening? Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Could've had it and you ready for anybody to buck back. All I catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. I'm a suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. You you motherfuckers even rap shit. This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court sa pagpapatuloy ng ating match. Nasa third quarter na nga po tayo, 49-46 ang ating daiwang score. And on your screen is our tropa of the game brought to us by Sip Plus Electrolyte Drink. So ayan, thank you so much for watching. And on your screen, Teen, the Sip Plus Electrolyte Drink with 0 sugar.
Wow.
Yes.
It's very healthy din itong
Yes.
ating drink na ito. And now, speaking of healthy, this is a healthy matchup between SAFE-JAZ Star Master and UNC-TRIFIT. As we can see right now, it is 46-49 on our scoreboard. That's a 3-point lead of the TRIFIT Naga against a SAFE-JAZ. But at the same time, it is a good performance. We're watching right now. Now, Pan. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Alfonso. Now a good momentum coming from the side of UNC-TRIFIT, but at the same time, it is SAFE-JAZ Star Master. We're looking at Nuestro once again releasing a good 3 points here. And that 3-pointer is brought to us by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, and Basinas. Sasagot agad dyan. At napakaganda ng simula ng ating third quarter nito. Now Nuestro passes Tupado. 16 to shoot here. Now Alfonso. Heavily guarded here. 2 puntos lamang hinahabol ng SAFE-JAZ. This is a very different performance coming from SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Now Nuestro once again. No good. And another kill here. Alfonso tries. No good. And that's it, UNC-TRIFIT. With the ball. Fastine heavily guarded here. Passes to Estrada. 20 seconds to shoot here. Another opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT. Masinas. Titira naman ngayon, but still here coming from Nuestro. Ngayon, maliliksik mga players dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. They really want to make sure that they can get their second win this evening. But no good on that last sequence.
Now, this is the chance for both teams na talagang pag-igihan pa dito yung kalamangang hawak nila because again, nasa third quarter na po tayo. So, anything can happen para dito sa dalawang kupunan. They really need to build their momentum at this moment pa lamang, kahit nasa third quarter pa lamang tayo because medyo mahirap na dito maghabol if nasa fourth and final quarter na tayo. So, they really need to step up big time at this moment. But a 3-point again on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Wow, these both teams nagpapaula ng tres kahit dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star, kitang-kita natin na napakarami nang na-produce na 3 points, and those 3 points is brought to us by GILMAR, CASA, the Descanso, and Taugan with that one-hand layup. Wow, another point conversion on their side. And to know more about the preparations para dito sa third quarter on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai, anong balita?
Hello, Rick and Ten. Nagkakalapit na nga ang scores ng dalawang team natin. Save the best for last nga naman talaga tayo dito sa OBL. Kahit last game na to for tonight, pakiramdam ko pang unang game pa lang yung energy nila. The Jazz Stars' energy are catching up little by little with their 1-3-1 defense and their drag screen gameplay. Kahit na there were only a few players during the first and second quarter, pero this third quarter dumagdag na sila from 6 players to 11. Kaya tignan natin kung ano bang gagawin ng Tigers this third quarter. That's all the updates I have for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Ten.
Thank you so much, Zaya. Yun nga, the SAFE-JAZ Star Masters focusing on 1-3-1 defense here against UNC-TRIFIT, and also humahabol dun sa energy ibinibigay ng UNC-TRIFIT. And it is very evident during that second quarter of the game, And up until the third quarter, we can see the difference of the game plan here of SAFE-JAZ Star Masters compared on their other plays or their games nung mga nauna dito sa OBL. While on the other side, the UNC-TRIFIT Naga still having that 3-point gap here. So to hear an update on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, we have our courtside reporter, Chan. Hi, Chan. Anong update, Chan?
Well, thank you, Rick and T. And as we approach the second half of the game, the players instructed to stay focused dahil maganda ang kanilang ipinapakitang opensa. Gitgitan pa rin ang laban at kinakailangan nila dito na pahalagahan ang bawat effort na ginagawa nila sa loob ng hardcourt at kailangan lang magtulungan para paigtingin palalo ang depensa. Kaya naman this time, they are still going to stick to their primary plan, which is to anchor the offense and to provide the biggest defense that they can show into this game. Yan lamang ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, tamang-tama, dikdikan ang labanan between these two teams dito sa ating second half. So matira matibay for these both teams. Pagalingan na lang ng offense. And speaking of the offense, according to their courtside reporter, napakaganda nga ng outside shooting nitong UNC-TRIFIT. 64-57 is our score. And foul was called on the side of UNC-TRIFIT on that last sequence. 14 to shoot on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star. Buwela, heavily guarded here. Muntik pang maagawan dito ni Masinas, but yun na nga, with that defense on the side of TRIFIT, turnover on the side of the SAFE-JAZ Star. So another opportunity on the side of the TRIFIT side to strengthen the gap na hawak nila para dito sa ating natitirang 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Taugan fires for that one, no good. And now Alfonso, or rather Pan, nagmamadali, but Masinas getting that one on their side. And Festin, grabe, back-to-back. Unsuccessful attempt on both sides. Pan, wala pa din, but the ball will remain on the side of their team. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Still naghahabol dito yung SAFE-JAZ Star on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT.
Now 57-64 on our scoreboard. That's a 7-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Now kumuwala doon sa napakalapit na puntos itong UNC-TRIFIT. So SAFE-JAZ Star Master really needs to do something about this. And after that, it is Graho giving a score here for SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. Now let's see if this will continue right at this moment, because we only have 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining here sa ating third quarter. Now, SAFE-JAZ once again, Graho going inside. That's a 4 straight points coming from him. At muling naibaba sa tatlo yung kalamangan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. And another opportunity for their side to lessen that gap. But look at that defense of UNC-TRIFIT. And they lose it. They lose that opportunity. Now jersey number 6, Sakido. No good on that attempt. And at this point, SAFE-JAZ Star Master, wala pa rin. Another lost opportunity on their side. Most especially, it is very crucial on their side, yes, dahil sila yung naghahabol dito. At kung makikita natin, once na lumayo yung puntos ng UNC-TRIFIT, medyo malaki yung nagagawa dito na kalamangan. But at the same time, nakahabol pa rin ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. But kailangan nilang baguhin yung kanilang ginagawang game plan dito. Kasi we only have 3 minutes and 17 seconds. UNC-TRIFIT can make a big gap here. So, SAFE-JAZ Star Master, kailangang gawan ng paraan yung kanilang mga ball possession dito. They need to focus more on their offense and defense. And open man para makapagpuntos dito. Now, SAFE-JAZ, Graho, 18 seconds to shoot. Graho once again, no good this time. Now, Taugan naman ngayon, 61-64. And Taugan once again proving that he is one of the best players on the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. 61-66. Pan releases. That's good. Lessening that gap of UNC-TRIFIT here. 2 minutes and 44.
3-point lead ang hawak ng TRIFIT side. Let's see kung madadagdagan pa yan, pero medyo bitin on that attempt. And now Nuestro, grabe, sumaside step para doon sa last conversion of points. 65-66. Tama nga yung sinasabi mo dito, Tina, kailangang sunod-sunod rin dito yung napakagandang offense on the side of SAFE-JAZ para dito sa natitira nating mga segundo, sila naman ang makakuha ng gap at ito namang UNC-TRIFIT ang maghahabol on their side. But again, UNC-TRIFIT talagang consistent din na pahabulin itong side ng SAFE-JAZ. And right now, offensive rebound and the ball possession still nasa kanilang kupunan. Now, no good on that. Pero, again and again, whenever nagkakaroon ng puntos ang SAFE-JAZ, hindi papayag na hindi makabawi itong UNC-TRIFIT. A minute and 44 seconds remaining for this third quarter. Pan getting that one in then on the side of their team.
Yes, Pan, one of the key players here of SAFE-JAZ Master. And isa talaga sa nag-step up for this third quarter. Now, 67-68, just a point lead of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Let's see here, Taugan. An attempt for 3, passes to his teammate Garcia, but loses it. Now, an opportunity here. Martinez getting that 1-point lead. The SAFE-JAZ Master kapit na kapit sa laban na ito against UNC-TRIFIT, and that's a good momentum para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, UNC-TRIFIT, anong sagot dito? But Pan, right there, getting that ball. And once again, Martinez with that fast break. Brought to us by DELIGOLD Philippines. And we only have 43 seconds remaining here for our third quarter. And a 3-point gap of SAFE-JAZ Masters.
Wow. Hindi rin dito din papayag itong si Taugan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT for tying this match up 71 all. Wow. Dikit na dikit ang dalawang kupunan between each other. Graho will try. Pero magkakaroon naman siya dito ng free throw opportunity to add on their score here at para makuha na din dito yung kalamangang gustong-gusto ng kanilang kupunan. 13 more seconds for this third quarter.
And of course, grabe yung tinatrabaho dito ng SAFE-JAZ Master. Pero at the same time, sinusundan naman agad ng UNC-TRIFIT. And let's also commend the performance of Taugan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT na talagang most of that points of UNC-TRIFIT was committed by Taugan. But yun Sala getting a point there. Graho. And it was a foul there. At nagtapos nga yung ating third quarter. 71-73 at natawagan pa nga dyan ng foul itong si Taugan. And we will be right back. Or meron pang free throws sa ating pagbabalik. For our fourth quarter here, 71-73 in favor of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Only here. Pero bago magtapos, free throws muna ay bibigay dito kay Graho. Now, first free throw was good here para kay Graho. Now, just one free throw and we'll be ending the third quarter with deadlock 73 all. But before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors here. We have Tiger's Cafe, Nisi Rafa, Rapid Drug Mart, Tan Dental Clinic, Berry Their Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, Nixie Shop, Mangkok's Kinalas, and Mary's Coffee. Now, Graho for his second free throw here to tie the game into 73 all. No good. And that's the end of our third 72-73. We will be back for the fourth and final quarter of this intense matchup of SAFE-JAZ Star Master and UNC-TRIFIT. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
And we are back here for our fourth and final quarter of this match. Again, matchup between the SAFE-JAZ Star versus the UNC-TRIFIT. 73-72 ang naiwan nating score for our third quarter. Let's see sa pagsisimula ng fourth quarter kung kanino mapupunta ang unang puntos. No good, but andon si Masinas on that second chance point. At yun nga, nahuli ulit dito yung bola on the side of their team. Villaflor, an attempt for 3, no good. Buwela naman ngayon ang kukuha ng bola on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star.
Now, with this fourth and last quarter of the game, this is the last opportunity for both teams to showcase their skill here. And also, if they're eager to win this game, they need to tighten their defense and have a good offense right here. 72-75. That's a 3-point gap of UNC-TRIFIT. And once again, it is Graho getting a point here. And talagang up until now, the last quarter, dikit na dikit pa rin yung laban itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. So let's see how will this game ends. Ngayon nakikita natin nag-happy pa rin yung ipinapakitang performance dito. Tama nga yung sinabi dito ng ating courtside reporter na si Zay na yung energy nitong ating dalawang kupunan felt like it was our first game here for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. But what a good way to end this Saturday matches. It is SAFE-JAZ Star Masters versus the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now at this point of time, what will be the last adjustment of UNC-TRIFIT now that we're seeing na itong SAFE-JAZ Star Masters humahabol sa kanila dito. So kailangan na gumawa ng paraan itong UNC-TRIFIT to really make sure that they are the one that will get this win this evening. Dahil isang puntos lamang po yung kalamangan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT, and we're still looking At a lot of possibilities here. But at the same time, itong si Masinas pupuntos para sa kanyang kupunan. So let's see as we continue. And to hear an update from the side of UNC-TRIFIT, we have our courtside reporter, Chan. Hi Chan, what's the update?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tien. Third quarter is really something dahil hindi man sumasangayon ang panahon sa init ng laban. Pero mas tumitindi ang aksyon at tensyon dito sa ating fourth and last quarter of the game. Last quarter na pero patuloy pa rin na paalala during the huddle na mag-communicate at ipagpatuloy lang ang ginagawang effort sa loob ng hardcourt. At mas sipagan palalo dahil nakakahabol na nga ang kabilang kupunan. Ngunit hindi dapat sila makampante because I can see that the UNC-TRIFIT goal is to win this game. Yan lamang ang update, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, kitang-kita nga dito ang tensyon sa loob ng hardcourt for these both teams. And the main goal nga naman ng dalawang kupunan is to win this match. Now, as you can see, palitan lang dito ng napakagandang offense ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Pan fires for 3. No good on that. Taugan, may hawak ng bola. Passing it to Sakido. And on that corner for 3, jersey number 30. Successful on that 3 points. Now, SAFE-JAZ Star. Babawi ba dito? Offensive rebound, and Buela secures that one in on their side. And to hear an update on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star for their fourth and final game plan. Ano ang pinaghandaan pa dito, Zai, on the side of your team?
Maraming salamat, Rick and Tin. Ball distribution is properly established. This will be the last 10 minutes. If they win this game, it's time for play-ins. Coach jokingly said nga, no, once they win this game, they can finally rest in peace. But kidding aside, sobrang light nga ng vibes dito, pero di rin nila nakakalimutan na makinig at mag-execute ng maayos. Sabi ni Coach, once he noticed a low-energy player sa loob ng court, he won't hesitate to remove him right away. A small warning to show their best pagdating sa gameplay. This will be a win-or-lose situation for the Jazz Tires, kaya naman focus muna tayo sa gameplay at tutukan ang mga susunod na kaganapan. This is Shulamar Zaimeniano from the side of the Jazz Tires, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Asaya. Yan nga, a very good mindset din sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. Of course, if you're really playing a basketball game, you have a lot, or you need to have a lot of energy here, and that's what makes SAFE-JAZ Star Masters having this good momentum from the very start of the first quarter. And at the same time, isa din sa ginagawa dito sa side ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master. If you don't have energy, then you go sit down, relax yourselves, kasi yung mga may guts to play that basketball game is ready to conquer against the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. So let's still wait because there's still a lot of minutes here. 5 minutes and 44 seconds remaining here. 81-87 with that 6-point gap of UNC-TRIFIT. At kung kanina malapit na yung or dikit yung laban ng UNC and SAFE-JAZ Star Master, right now muling ibinida ng UNC yung kanilang magandang depensa dito and causing it with that 6-point lead. So let's see after this timeout kung anong gagawin dito ni Coach Noel to change that momentum. At of course, talagang ganun yung mangyayari ngayon dito. Talagang laban kung laban, bakbakan kung bakbakan. Kung kaya titinan natin with this remaining minutes of the game, if they are really ready to get this win against UNC-TRIFIT. And it was also funny that when Coach Noel said that kapag nakuha nila yung kanilang pangalawang panalo dito against UNC-TRIFIT, they can rest in peace. But at the same time, of course, grabe din yung ibinuhos dito ng SAFE-JAZ Star Master for our match-up or matches na nilaro nila dito sa Oragon Basketball League.
Surely, they can rest in peace kung manalo sila dito because again, dikdikan ng laban. So both teams talagang kung kanino mapupunta, I'm sure magiging happy and at peace talaga this evening para sa kanilang kupunan. And now, back to the ball game. Estrada passing it to Villaflor. 15 to shoot on their side. Estrada 4-3. No good. And now, ball will go on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire. Chance for them to cut the lead.
Now, every ball possession counts at this point for
Yes.
SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. Dahil kahit paunti-unti, they need to do something about that 6-point gap of UNC-TRIFIT. Because knowing this team, they can do something about that. They can widen that gap in just a few seconds of this game. So SAFE-JAZ Tire Master really needs to invest into their defense as well as on the offense. So let's see with this remaining minutes of the game if SAFE-JAZ Tire Master is really ready to get this win against UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Graho. He's still coming from UNC-TRIFIT. Anong gagawin nila dito? Now, on the other side for a 3-pointer, no good. Alfonso with that rebound. Now, an opportunity here for SAFE-JAZ Tire Master to lessen that 6-point gap of UNC. Now, Alfonso passes to Nuestro. Now, Nuestro ibibigay sa kanyang teammate, and that will be a point coming from Graho. Now, Graho, yung talagang even before, siya talaga yung top scorer for the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire Master. And he is still now na talagang ipinapakita niya dito na kayang-kayang makipagsabayan ng SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. But at the same time, they need a team effort here. Not just one player, because this is a basketball game. They are a team here. So they need to work as one.
Yes.
Now, Pan. 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining here. An opportunity again for SAFE-JAZ to lessen that gap. Ngayon, nagmamadali dito. Buela. No good. And Masinas going inside. And a whistled foul. Now, Coach Noel of SAFE-JAZ Tire Master asking for a challenge here. But the officials reminding the coaching staff of SAFE-JAZ Tire Master that we don't have a challenge here. Now, Masinas on that free throw line, 83-89, making it 90. We only have 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining here, but a 7-point gap is listed on UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Bachinsala loses that ball. SAFE-JAZ Tire Master, an opportunity. Pan, heavily guarded here. No hesitations there. And he still got that point. Adjusting into 5-point gap here.
Bachinsala. Matatawagan dito ng offensive foul on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, 5 points. Yan ang kailangan ditong trabahuhin on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire if they want to tie this match up. And now, Pan to inbound on the side of SAFE-JAZ. Nuestro to Graho. And wow, that steal though. Villaflor losing that ball. So back-to-back steal for both teams. Now, Buela. 1v1 with Estrada. Heavily guarded here, passing it to Graho. But, no good on that attempt para dito kay Graho.
And we can hear the frustrations on the side of SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters because of that last sequence. But at the same time, we still continue this ball game here. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. UNC-TRIFIT with 5-point gap here. And Sakido getting that basket, adjusting the lead of UNC-TRIFIT. But still, the game is on. But another lost opportunity for SAFE-JAZ Tire Masters. And a whistled foul there. $85.92 now, Rick. And before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors right now. We have MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, and Bunny and PIGGY Distributors. Now, Villaflor releases a big 3 here. And that will be a 10-point lead, making it 12. As Masinas getting that basket. Now, UNC-TRIFIT making sure that they will give a good fight against SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. But unanswered point here on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Masters. So back to 10-point lead here. Double-digit lead of UNC-TRIFIT. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Now let's see if there will still be an adjustment on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star Master as Batyansela goes inside, but no good on that attempt. SAFE-JAZ on the run here. Alfonso to Pan. But a whistled foul. We are now down to the last 2 minutes of this matchup. It is 87-97 in favor of UNC-TRIFIT Naga.
Now Pan on that free throw opportunity on the side of SAFE-JAZ Star. 87-97, a minute and 58 seconds remaining para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga loyal viewers para dito sa ating larong ito. Shoutout kay Gian Virgil Mendoza, kay Jan Basales, Jameson Brenya, James Gabarda, kay Kim Monteroso, kay Brian Tosok, kay Cristina Valenzuela, at kay Carla Calleja. Thank you so much and happy watching.
And now, a minute and 55 seconds remaining. 87-97 on our scoreboard here. And SAFE-JAZ Star Master kailangan maghabol dito ng 10 puntos. At the same time, here are some of the game highlights for our fourth quarter brought to us by 3 and Bakery. Now, it is a good performance coming from UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And now, SAFE-JAZ Star Master is struggling here to convert a point now that UNC-TRIFIT really makes their defense more tight here. But let's see if after this timeout there will be changes on Coach Noel's team here. Will there be a change of momentum, or UNC-TRIFIT will make it a straight win for their team? A minute and 55. Some of the players to step up for SAFE-JAZ Star Master. We have Graho, Pan, and Nuestro. While on the other side it is Taugan, Batyansela, Villaflor, and the rest of the players of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Pan, offensive rebound. Passes to Buala, and Buala getting that second chance point here. And there's still a game here for SAFE-JAZ Star Master. An opportunity still open here for their team. 89-97. And that will be a basket count with a foul here for jersey number 6, Sakido. Now let's take a look at it again on that last sequence. As Sakido goes inside, getting that basket with a foul here. So that's a 3-point opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT, but that free bonus or bonus free throw doesn't go inside. Now, more alive with a UNC-TRIFIT as Masinas. Straight to that basket. We are now on 89-101. A minute and 13 seconds remaining. The whistle foul there. And also, big things sa lahat po na nakasama natin ngayong araw na to sa ating courtside reporters. We have Kyla, Casey, Chen, and Zai. Also for our commentators, we have Jasper. And the rest of the team of Oragon Sports TV and Oragon Basketball League. Now, 1 minute and 1. 89-101 po sa ating scoreboard. And I think the UNC-TRIFIT Naga is looking for their win here 58 seconds remaining. Now, Batiensala getting that basket. Still adjusting that gap here. Malaking kalamangan muli ang naigawa dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. And still, Ban releases a 3, no good. And at this point of time, with 39 seconds remaining and that 14-point gap of SAFE-JAZ Master, magandang laban pa rin yung kanilang ibinigay dito. And as we can see right now, it is Span stealing that ball, lessening that gap at the same time, making sure that it will not be a big gap against UNC-TRIFIT. Now, still a good defense here for SAFE-JAZ, but Masinas was right there to make a point here. And that's it. With his remaining seconds, UNC-TRIFIT Naga making sure that they got that win, ending it 91-105. Now, that's a good matchup we've seen today here. And when we come back, it will be our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo, kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo, kampeon ang Oragon.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. Welcome
why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Could've had it, and you ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with bravies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one.
Kampehan ang Oragon, walang makakatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampehan ang Oragon.
And our best player of the game is brought to us by Kuya Nonoy Magtoto. And beside me is our best player of this game, jersey number 29, Kevin Taugan, with 35 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals, and 2 blocks. So congratulations, Kevin, on your win this evening. So ano yung nararamdaman mo na ikaw ang isa sa mga nagpanalo dito sa UNC-TRIFIT?
Masaya po at nanalo ngayon.
And ano pa yung aabangan ng mga fans ng UNC-TRIFIT sa mga upcoming games pa ng inyong kupunan?
Pagbubutihan po namin sa susunod na laro at sana po manalo sa susunod na laro.
And lastly, this is your chance to shout out all the supporters na talaga namang from day one nakasuporta sa UNC-TRIFIT.
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko dyan sa Magaraw and sa UNC family and sa TRIFIT family po. And sa Obel din po.
And dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, makakatanggap ka ng Mary's Gift Certificate located at head of Barlin Street, Naga City, together with this OBL Cup. So, congratulations on your big win for this evening, Kevin Taugan. Again, our best player of the game for this game.
Kampehan ang Oragon, walang makakatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampehan ang Oragon. Kampehan ang Oragon, walang makakatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampehan ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game, Taugan, from the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And it was a great performance also from the side of SAFE-JAZ Master. And next week, puno pa rin po ng aksyon ang ipapakita po namin dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Kasama niya pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Christina Cancer-Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta, and live na live po tayo sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. Only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampehan ang Oragon. Ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging ating bilhin.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!